Okay, this street is not done. And I'm hoping I don't get stuck. Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? I mean, this is ridiculous. This is utterly ridiculous. Look at this. I mean, I'm driving slow because I don't want to get the tires stuck in. And why is this idiot driving behind me close, dummy? Because if I have to stop and back up, I'm not going to be able to get through. Look at this. This is not done. I mean, nothing came through here, because if the plow came through here, there wouldn't be these divots going on. I'm hoping my mother's street looks better, and here's a big dip right here. Look at this mound in the middle. You make it over this. Alright, got over that. Still making it through. I don't have an SUV. I got a little Honda Civic. Here we go, fishtailing. Oh, come on, SUV, please hurry up, because I don't want to stop. Come on, come on, come on. Can we go? You got an SUV, and I'm pretty sure you could have went up that street. What does it look like? Let's see. I don't know. You could have made that. In any case, here I am, chugging along. But no, the streets aren't done. I'm like, I mean, I can't afford to get stuck. I really can't. And I'm playing Demolition Derby today to get to my mother's house. Here I am, fishtailing again. Okay, is this person stuck here? Yep, look at that. Stuck person. They're trying to help. That's an SUV. Alright, coming around. Now to come to my mother's block, which to me doesn't look like it's done. So, you know what? I don't have the. Alright, come on, car. I don't have the patience. I really don't. And right now, I gotta turn the camera. I don't know what the plow did. I really don't. I don't see it here. But I gotta get to my mother. I'm out.